My Vinted journey began in April 2025 when I was in the middle of my maternity leave. Amidst a spell of frenzied spring cleaning in between naps and breastfeeding, I was forced to seriously contemplate my bursting wardrobe and heaving attic storage. Years of clothes shopping had caught up with me, and now I was 7 months postpartum and drowning in clothes I wasn't planning on ever wearing again. While I've always been a lover of fashion, my tastes have evolved, and I'm trying to be a more conscious consumer. So when Vinted launched in Ireland, I was excited to give it a go. So I got to work, and to date I've made 44 sales in total, netting around €900 since last April. Here's what I've learned so far. Brands matter. Include the brand name in the title of your listing. For example, Ganni mini dress, Zara barrel leg jeans. People search for brands and they know what they're worth. Keywords. Do include hashtags and keywords in your listings. If you're selling a summer dress, describe the colour, length, fit and condition. Mention words like summer, flowy, holiday, beach in your hashtags. Get chatting. Build a rapport, but know your boundaries. If a buyer starts to chat with questions about a piece, answer truthfully and you'll see the 5-star reviews flood in. But don't waste your time sending tons of extra photos and measurements for a toppler you're selling for a £5. Timing matters. From my experience and discussions with other Vinted users, the most active times on the app appear to be Saturday and Sunday mornings. This is a good time to post your listings. Pace yourself. In my experience, Vinted doesn't like when you upload too many listings one after the other, so only post up to 3 a day. You can have all the photos taken and just gradually upload them so your account isn't deemed as a spam account. Take good photos. This may seem obvious, but take nice, bright, clear photos of the front and back of the garment and close-ups of any details. Photos taken with natural light tend to look better, and a plain white background such as a door is ideal. Re-upload. This is not Vinted policy by any means, but I have found that if a listing has no views, it's worth deleting and re-uploading it again to kickstart the algorithm in your favour. Consider your pricing. Let's face it, if you're shopping on Vinted, you're looking for a bargain, so think like a buyer and consider how much you would be willing to pay for an item. Fast fashion items have little resale value, but higher end brands will get you a higher price. Just be sure to take a clear photo of the label and be prepared to negotiate. Think seasonally. Now is not the time to post your summer dresses, but you might get a few pre-loved woolly jumpers sold. Send promptly. Vinted rewards sellers who ship their packages within a day of selling. So Vinted has been a handy little earner for me and I've cleared out a few drawers. You can read my full story on the Irish Independent.